my vlog. Here's Anna. And also say hi to Errol.
Hello! Woo!
Yeah. How do you feel?
Very excited
Very
para
excited.
mag-perform.
Let's do this. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, for this part, ayokong ma-copyright since puro copyrighted music yung naglalaro sa background, pero ito yung venue, maganda naman. And look, si Ate Cristel, may number 1 sa partner. Okay, bye.
Good luck, Ayla!
This part is on mute again, but yeah, nagkahay-hay lang kami dyan. Masaya naman. And ang araw, hindi mo in-expect ng araw sa venue, pero malamig as in mahangin. Pero yun, okay, panoorin nyo yung performance ko, bye.
I don't need that Cadbury, I don't need that McFlurry, I don't need those sweets and cakes, cause I have you, my love, baby. Can you be my Spanish bread and colonize me till the end? You're sweeter than a sugar cane, no, you're my honey girl.
Visit din kayo sa
First
booth
time
ng
ko to.
Globe sa station.
Justifiable.
Napakaganda lang. Naglalaro ng
Maganda
mga
kit eh.
game sa ating booth right there sa Station
Thank
Pro.
you.
Bakasyon na or mahanap
And yeah.
Gabi. So, while we are preparing for the next set, we kindly ask everyone.
Ano sa'yo?
Umatcha siguro. Anyways, we're here. Gutom na kami.
Yan, kakatapos ang perform. Ay, hindi. Tapos na kanina pa.
Tapos na ako, pero si ating naka-red hair, hindi pa. Okay, bye. The night is long, pero babay na. Hello guys, day 2 of the Globe Telecom event. Kasi manonood lang ako sa mga fellow performers ko. So, kain muna tayo. Gawa muna tayo mga assignment to. Yarn. Anyways, bye-bye.
Trade Development Manager, Mr. Arvin Navarro, to give a few words. Palakpakan ka na.
Hello. With me by my side to swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, and enough to ride over my feet. Can't explain why your love makes me weak.
I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I've loved you from the start.
Yes. So we hope you like it.
Kinukuha
And if
ng
you know the song, please sing with
ng-
us or sing with everyone else.
Anyways, so we're at the last performer, and we're gonna ask my fellow performers too from yesterday.
Ilang galing na naiiwan sa iyo, magdapil lang Disney, okay sa harap ng iyo. Everyone! Ay walang kapantay.
This feels so fulfilling.
Pagmamahal.
Oo po. How do you feel about this event po, Kuya?
Very exhilarating. Exhilarating. Thank you, Globe, for giving us the opportunity to perform, to share our passion. To everyone, see you next year. Thank you. Sabihin.
How do you feel?
Happy ko and excited. And tired. Hindi, 5G energy pa.
How do you feel, ate?
I'm so proud to hear all of the talent here today. Very great.
This event po. What do you feel about this event po?
So energized and I feel so welcome here sa Baguio. Solid.
Thank you po. I was actually one of the performers din po yesterday.